More fun scenes at the end of this video. Today we are making convection bake chicken drumsticks. The ingredients are as follows. Set your oven to convection mode and preheat at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. First, pat down the chicken to dry. Season with ground or rock salt. Mix well to coat the meat. Add some paprika powder, then garlic powder, allspice, a teaspoon of thyme, ground black pepper, and couple tablespoons of the annatto oil. Mix to coat the drumsticks evenly and set aside. Grease the pan with canola oil. Arrange the chicken just like so. Place it on a cookie sheet. Bake for 1 hour at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Flip the drumsticks within 45 minutes into baking. Here you go, my version of chicken bake chicken drumstick. You can eat it by itself or serve it warm with rice and your favorite dipping sauce. Enjoy! Something smells good in my kitchen. My chicken. Look at that. Chicken is cooked, so let's go ahead and try it. Steaming. Delivery.
Oh, hey, thank you. Fantastic. I like that the skin is on too. I like chicken skin.
Do.
Mm-hmm.